Today I'm going to talk about decimal system dynamic part material, a beautiful way for the child to truly experience numbers, not just by seeing, but by feeling, holding, and even carrying across the room. They are aware of the difference in quantity. This is heavy and this is light. So they know the quantity very well. We represent this small bead as 1 unit. This bar of 10 has 10 beads. So it is 110. This square of 100 has 10 bars of 10. So it is 100. This cube of 1000 is made of 10 squares of hundreds. So that's 1000. From this, we will take some quantity in the tray. Now let's see how much we have in the tray. Break them apart by place value. Units in one place, tens in another place, hundreds in another place, and thousand in another place. Next comes the exciting part, the exchanges. 10 units become 110. 10 becomes 100. 10 hundreds become 1000. This simple idea helps the child understand that our number system works on a hierarchy of powers of 10. And the most beautiful part, when we have too many in one category, we must carry over or move from the lower hierarchy to the higher one. So we must exchange it for the next higher category. For example, when a child picks up 10 beads and exchange it for 110, they are not just doing a math activity, they are experiencing the foundation for an entire number system. When a quantity is too much for its category, it has to move to the next higher level. This is exactly what happens later when the child works with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When adding, they will need to carry over to the next place value. In subtraction, they will need to borrow from the higher hierarchy. In multiplication, they will exchange when a product crosses 10. And in division, they will break down from the higher to the lower. By physically handling the materials in the change game, children understand that. So the dynamic change game is not just an activity. It's the preparation for all future arithmetic operations. Montessori children experience physically and visually through the change game. And that's the Montessori way, where a 4-year-old naturally learns not through force. Please do follow our page, Cardinals Montessori.